So today we're going to be doing a repair on an Evinrude light wind 3 horsepower. We're going to be changing the prop clutch ring, which if your propeller quits moving around in a, it's not catching, you'll hear your motor revving, but you're not, this is just spinning. So you might think, okay, well, it's just probably a pin. I'll show you where that is, but this is actually something different. I got my cotter pin here. That's the first thing we're going to do is we're going to pull that cotter pin out. Make sure your motor is in the off position. We don't want to be turning anything here that's going to turn that over. So we'll set our cotter pin aside. Now this motor is, gosh, this was made from 1950 to 67, it said. So pretty old, and it's been setting for a long time. So I'm not sure if this part dry rotted out or if it, hit a log or what. I don't know. That could be a little bit of both. It's pretty old, hasn't run in a long time. So anyways, I've taken off the nut. There's a washer that goes on there. You'll take that off. You can see the hole right here that your cotter pin is going to go through. I'll set these parts over here. I'm going to pull the prop off straight up. And we're going to pull out what's called the clutch hub. It's right in the center here. And our part is inside here. It's a rubber piece that goes around here. And you can see it's just all worn out here. It has spun off. Now if it was that you ruined a pin, the pin is right here, but it's not that. So it's this part. I don't know if it dry rotted or just hit something, and that was, after that many years. So what we'll do is we'll pull this out, the old one, and it is shot. It's just really shot. I ordered this part online from Crowley Marine. I got them after just looking around a little bit. The original part number was not, it's changed I think a couple times over the years. You can see the edges in here around the rim. You're going to want to clean those up because some of this rubber sticks to those. You want to get it so that it's nice and clear so that this goes on. I'm thinking that this will be easier to put on our clutch hub first. And that just slides right on there. Then I think I'll go ahead and put this in this way. And we'll just slide that in. I have cleaned this up, so it shouldn't be too bad. You're gonna have to work it in there a little bit. You can probably just squeeze it with your hands, get it in there. Looks like it's seating in pretty good. I guess you could take a rubber mallet and give it a little smack there. I think I'm getting it pretty good. Okay, so I've got it back in. Looks pretty good. I'll put that back on. You're going to turn it until your pin down here catches, and you'll feel it. It's pretty obvious when you got it there. Then all we need to do is we're going to take our washer, goes back on here. Our nut goes back on here. And as you tighten that down, when you're going to want to snug it up good, but there's holes, all the way around this thing. And the best way to get your cotter pin back in there is, go ahead and snug it up. You don't want to go probably crazy tight, but tight. And then what you're going to do is you're going to visually look through the nut, and you'll see daylight when it's lined up with the hole. And then you take your cotter pin and you just put it all the way through, bend it back, and that's it. It's a pretty simple repair. The part number on that, if that's what your problem is 0315471, and that's called a prop clutch ring. And Crowley Marine is where I got it online, and that's I don't have anything to do with them, but it's www.crowleymarine.com. So hopefully this helps somebody. Have a good day.